back.
Back, recovered.
Welcome back to the channel.
I've recovered. Joe has been away for nearly 3 weeks, so I've had lots of self-recovery time. It's been nice.
It was a nice pub dinner.
I've had a lovely pub dinner.
And why are we in Oxfordshire?
We are in Oxfordshire because that is on the way
To
Heathrow Airport.
Doing it again. Only he doesn't know.
Yeah.
So we are on our way. I don't even say this. We're going to California for a custom motorcycle show.
The Born Free Show, which for those of you that watch our good friend Weems Motorco, he is an invited builder, but he does not know, his wife Bree knows, but he does not know that he's got us for a week.
Yeah. So we're heading out to California. We've got to keep out the way because we're actually staying in the same hotel as well. So we've got to stay out the way until Saturday. It's Thursday now, isn't it? On Thursday?
No, it's Wednesday.
Thursday we fly.
It's Wednesday. We've got a night in a hotel by London Airport. Then we fly in the morning.
Yes. So we get there Thursday afternoon.
Yes.
We've got to stay out the way Friday.
Yes.
And we're going to surprise him at the show, hopefully. As long as we can steer clear of him because he is staying in the same hotel.
Yes.
But yeah. So we go to London.
It's exciting. Let's go.
The sun coming out.
The sun's coming out.
So as with all of these trips we do, Emily gets to go to all the places she's always wanted to.
Yes, and you know, there's so many places I didn't know were on my bucket list until I'm there.
So what's behind us?
We're going to Norman's Rare Guitars because I'm an avid guitar player.
Yeah. It's a super famous guitar shop that lots and lots of very, very famous people have traded and sold and bought guitars in.
Apparently so.
And they have some very cool stuff, and I've always wanted to go there. So
here we are on Joe's holiday.
We had a nice coffee as well.
We have. I just had a lovely chai latte.
Yeah. You're a real big coffee drinker as well, aren't you?
I'm not a coffee drinker, and I was going to bring some tea bags, and then I forgot in the rush and the mist of getting ready. So I'm going to have to be tealess for the next week. But that's our second drink. We had to go out for breakfast this morning.
Yes.
Because we had to do some SAS sneak out, don't be seen, because we have not come this far
to mess up now.
To fall at the last hurdle, yeah.
We are potentially tweaking our plan. Not 100% yet. We haven't decided. But we know that Jared and Bree and a load of other invited builders are going to be
at Cook's Corner.
Yeah, which is not far from the Oak Canyon Park. Is that where it is? So we may go there this evening instead. We're yet to decide.
We're gonna wait and see how we feel, because whenever we travel to California, this is our third time traveling to California, my body clock is just a struggle because we go back in time 7 hours. So yesterday, by 6 p.m.
creeps up on you, doesn't it?
I was so tired, I was done, and then I slept for what felt like ages, and I woke up and it was 11:30 p.m.
Yeah.
And then I was wide awake, lying there thinking, go back to sleep because you're going to mess up the next day.
It does just creep up on you though, all of a sudden it's like hitting a wall, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we shall see. So we're going to go in here, potentially spend a lot of money.
Yeah.
And then...
No. Hang on, no. No money being spent. No.
Potentially spend a lot of money. And then we're going to go off...
You've already hit your quota for today, miss steak and eggs for breakfast.
We're going to go and see Where are we going?
Oh, I'm going to the bath. I've missed all them cues then.
Yes.
We're then going to Los Angeles Bike Shed
Yes.
because
You've never been?
I've never been.
I am.
And we're going to meet a guy called Nick Rutter, who's somebody that follows our YouTube. We've had lots of conversations with him. He's from London originally, lives out in California. So
Yeah.
because we were coming, we said, why not? Go and make a new friend.
But yeah, we're going to go meet Nick Rutter, who is an excellent videographer.
Oh, yes.
Yes,
He
we might get
works
some
for
advice.
Big Time.
Big time, yeah. So, yeah, we'll catch up with him, see the bike shed, and
Yeah.
then decide what we're doing after that.
Sounds like a plan.
I brought you to the finest location for lunch.
I'm in Odipissy.
You can say that. But yes, finest location for lunch in this lovely industrial quarter.
It's very nice.
Where are we going?
Bike Shed.
We found an American road at corners.
We have.
We're on a canyon road. Where are we going?
We have changed the plan. Because you know this morning Joe said he might change the plan. He changed the plan.
I did.
So we're off to Cook's Corner. I think it's just a bar. Just a bar. I think it's the bar that the builders and that are going to, based on some of the Instagram content we've seen today, which caused the change in plan.
I don't want to miss out. We have started to see an influx of motorcycles.
We have. So yeah, we're just going to go and we're going to see if Jared's there because he's supposed to be there with Bree and friends.
I'm just going to turn up uninvited.
My mind is blown. Holy